Hi.
Okay. See, Kuya, we are going to place your finger in here. Okay? We are going to, wait lang, it's sliding. Okay? We are going to start with the winter. Okay?
What happened?
It's double. Yan, very good. Upward, side, and upward. Very good. I, very good. Okay, that's I. Next, Kuya. What letter is this one? It's N. Very good.
T.
T. Very
T.
good. Next,
T.
T. Very good. Next, we are going to write E. Yeah, that one. This is a big E. Yes po, the other E. This one. Okay? Very good side. Yes, that's a 3 line. Very good. That's G. Very good, Kuya. Next, R. That's R. Next, that's A. Wow, you are doing great, Kuya. Wow, that's N.
He round.
Yes, it's round. This one, another one. Okay, that's D. This one, another one. That's A. There's an Erken, Kuya. Okay, this one. L. Okay, that's R. Very good.
Why is the sky moving?
Yes, because there's a lot of air, Kuya, pushing the sky. Okay? Oh, just like that one. Okay? How about this one? We are going to do L. No, yes. Don't touch it because it's broken na. Okay? Dali. Come here for a while.
Oh, this one, boss.
Dali, come
Oh,
here.
we use the bus. Go,
Round and round, round and round. Okay? This one, we are going to read L naman, Kuya.
Stop sign.
Yes po, that's a stop sign.
And the friend will go here.
Okay? So we are going to continue. That's W. Very good. Correct. Very good. That's W. Okay, tama. Next na naman. That's I. Tama. Next and that's I. And very good. That's N. T. Next I. Next T. Very good. T. Very good, Kuya. You're doing a great
I
job.
jumped there.
You jumped it, Kuya. Okay, that one, L.
Jump.
Now, don't jump because it's L, diba? Okay. Next, Kuya. That one, that's E. Correct. Okay. Oh, don't overlap. Sige, sulat. That, yan. Very good. How about letter C? That one.
Get the C.
That's C. How about R? R. How about A? Okay, how about L? How about L na naman na isa? Very good. How about W?
Where's the bill?
This one?
Small.
Small. It's not big just like this one. Oh, can you draw a, ano kaya? Big W?
A small. Wait a minute.
Sige, try small W.
Toink, toink, toink.
Very good. That's a small W. How about big W?
Where is it?
Big W.
Oh, there.
Yan.
Wala for line.
Yes, wala siya, Kuya. Okay, very good. Next. Ay, don't do that one, okay? Next, N na naman. How about N? If it is N, sige daw, try. Very good. That's N. Oops.
Oh, it's so big.
Yeah, it's a B. This one, how about,
The sky is moving.
yeah, it's moving because there's an, that one. Next, this one, how about L na naman, big L. Yan, very good. You're doing a good job, Kuya. Yan, that's L. Yan, very good. How about this L? A ka muna, a W. Okay, that's W.
Big.
Okay, How about G? Can you do G? Ay, it's the opposite of G. Okay, isa pa. G, kuya. Isa pa. Hindi. Yan, very good. Next, other one.
There's a beginning third.
Yeah. Okay, that one.
G.
Okay, how about this G? Yan, you need to follow those lines, kuya. This one. How about this E? That one. You do that one? Very good. And straight. How about C? Yan, very good. That's a C, kuya. Okay, next na naman. And how about this E? You forgot this E. This E. Yan, that's W. How about this letter A? Yan. Follow that line. Very good. That's R. How about this one? Go. That's T. Trace that one. Yon. Very good. Next, to the other side. Wow. Okay.
And jump.
Very good. You are doing a jump, kuya. Pero the jump is intended for I because that's I, kuya. Okay? Oh, how about this one, kuya? Small W. Sige, we are going to write Lawrence, kuya. Okay, this one. For the L. Okay. That's a marker, kuya.
Is it
Okay.
sun?
Yes po. This one. How about this one? L. We are going to proceed with big L. Yun. Very good.
Yes,
Next.
This one, okay?
Later na. After we're finished. Sige na be. Write W in here. If you know how to write W. Write W.
So I don't like this paper. I was so tired, but I want this one.
You want this one?
Yeah,
You are tired with this one?
but it's so hard.
It's so hard. How about this one?
This is not hard.
I'll go. Sige, W.
Thank you.
Opo, W. Okay.
Wow!
Next. Very good. Very good. How about I? Dito ang I. You do that one and jump. Very good. N. Very good. This one should be at the other side. Diba this one? No, you do that one. No. This one. Straight ahead. It's no straight lang. That one. Next. How about T? T. It's not T. It's E. T. The cross, kuya. Just like Jesus. T. T. Yan. Very good. How about
Jesus!
Jesus? How about
This
E?
one.
How about E?
It's so hard.
It's so hard. This one, the E goes like this one.
Okay.
Yan. Sige dabi. Follow your
Peter,
E.
no one's gonna die.
Sige daw.
Ay.
Opo, write another E. Isa pa na E. Go. Isa pa na E. You do that one. Very good. Isa pa. You do that one. Very good. Isa pa. Okay, next. Very good, you are doing a great job. How about R? You know how to write R?
G.
R. Last na lang. R na lang. That's E. How about R? Very good. It's P. Tama, kuya. How about R? This one. Wait muna. Yan. That's R. Sige. That's R. Okay? Sige daw dito sulat R. Yan. That's R, ha? Isa pa. Yan. Tapos to the other side, that's R. What letter is this one? R. Sige daw. Malapit na siya maging R. Go. Isa pa, kuya. Isa pa na try. R. Okay, isa pa na R. This one. Wait lang. Don't do that one. Okay. That's R. Okay? Next, we are going to write letter L. Wait lang ha.
Follow line, okay?
You will follow the lines.
This one. W and flip your car.
Flip, flip. Tapos to the other side. Then, that one. How about I? Sige, how about I? You do that one, jump. How about N? This one, N. No, hindi dyan ang start. The start is at the top. Yan, that one. You do that one, you flip your car. And that one. How about T? And this one, T. You go that one and flip. Very good. How about E? How about E? Oops. Di ba you start in here? At this side? You start that one and no, but you do this one. You go that one, flip your car, you do that one. Okay ha? I'll follow isa pa na E. You do that one. you irritated a lot of times. Okay, now we are going to write letter L, kuya. Okay. Sige.
It's so fun.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
so fast.
Next, L, kuya. Di ba this is letter L? Kuya, di ba this is letter L? Sige. I want you to write L. Go.
Maybe have.
Okay. Sige. Yun. To the other side. Very good. This one, oh. Sige, go. You go straight down ahead. This side. Tapos, yan. That's L. Isa pa. Isa pa, kuya. Kuya, isa pa.
Where's a good that?
No, this one.
Where's a good one?
Good one, what?
Inside your bag.
No, there's no good one.
Why?
Because I didn't bring it, kuya.
Why? Only this one?
Yes, it's only one. Oh, this one. You follow this one. L.
And
Oh, look at teacher. Look at teacher. That's L. Sige, diba? I want you to hold it, kuya. Hold it. Okay. Okay. You do this one. Wait lang. Don't it. Okay, that one. Tapos, yan. That's L. Isa pa. Wait lang. You do. That one. This is letter L. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Why don't you erase it with your hand? Okay. We are going to use this one, ha? Kuya. We are going to use the ninja. We are going to follow the path of L, kuya.
Ninja's waiting.
This one. We
Ninja.
are going to start with this one. You are wait lang, wait for a while, wait for teacher. Listen to teacher muna. Look at in here. You go that one.
Watching?
Tapos to the other side. Okay. Where are you going to start? If it is letter L?
Like this.
Opo, start ka. Where are you going to start? If it is letter L, you go that one, and to the other side. Okay? Write daw, Kuya Ben. Write down. Sige daw, write L. You go straight ahead and to the other side. Isa pa. Is other one pa. Oops, don't push it too much. This one. Letter L. That one. That's L, ha?
Like
Isa, L daw ba? Isa pa na L.
teacher goes drawing.
Go.
I want to draw it.
Go.
Like this one. I like this one.
Later. Wait lang. Draw mo na L.
She chose.
Straight, that side.
Close. She
Oh,
chose.
what is it? That's L, ha?
She chose.
Oh, what is it?
She chose name in the draw.
That's L.
I want Victor and Fenway here.
Go.
The house.
L. That's L. That's L. That's how you do L, ha? Sige, David, do L.
She chose. She chose.
Go.
Draw. I want to draw. She chose.
You want to draw Teacher Charles?
Yes.
Go.
This is your face.
Yes.
Smiling.
This is my...
Toes. And hands.
Yan. That's Teacher Charles.
And Victor.
How about you? Ikaw, Winter. Go. You have a small head.
She's small. Oh, she's big.
Yes, it's small. Okay? Sige.
Run.
We're running.
Where's mommy?
Later. If you are going to write L, we are going to write your mommy. Write L. Go, write L. Write L muna.
Yes, mommy.
Write L muna. Before you can write your mommy. Write L. That's your mommy. Yan.
And
That's-
he's have hair.
Sige. Write L muna so that we can write your mommy. L.
Hello, daddy.
Okay, and daddy also. Kuya, L muna, L. Write L muna. L muna.
She's
Uh,
big.
That's your dad.
He's coming.
Sige, write muna L. So that we are going to write your mom and dad.
And where's Ate?
Late lang, waiter lang. L muna, L muna.
Okay, okay.
L muna, L. L. Isa pa.
She say.
Isa pa. Ikaw ba? L.
No, no.
That's your ate?
Yes. 1, 2, toes, eyes. She's big.
Where's the mouth? She's a.
Yeah, but she was. But
Where's the hands? Okay.
oh, he wants a hug.
Teacher will erase this one ha. We are going to write.
He wants a hug.
She wants a hug. Okay, teacher will erase this one muna ha.
He wants a hug.
Write muna L. L. Yan, that's L ha. L muna.
She said it's gonna cry.
Teacher will erase muna.
Whee!
Okay. We are going to redraw it, kuya. Okay? I want you to write L muna. Okay. L, go. L, kuya. Opo. L muna. Oops, mahulog. L. Sige, L muna. L. That one straight. You are not writing L. Yan, that's L. Sige, continue writing. Who's that one? That's Teacher Charles.
Yes.
Where's my hands? That one. Sige. Now,
No, wait there.
where's Winter? Go. That's your that's your 2 feet.
Yes. In circle.
In circle.
Where's my face? Oh, there.
Go. That's your face. Okay. Are you smiling? Yes. Where's the finger? Yan. Okay. Now, kuya, teacher will teach you isa pa. This one, wait lang.
Wait. What's
Uh,
on top?
Now, this is letter A. Okay? Before you can write your
Working.
Apo. Look at in here muna. Kuya,
Working.
Apo, that's parking. Look at in here. Before you are going to write your mom, we are going to write A muna, ha? Okay?
Right, mommy.
A muna, A muna.
Wait.
A muna. Who's that one? Your mom?
Yes.
Draw her face. Okay? She's smiling. How about her hands? That one?
And she's this one.
Yan, very good. We are going to write A so that you can write your dad. That's A. Sige, go straight. That one. A ha? Isa pa?
Where's my daddy?
Wait lang. That one muna. Okay, that's A. Write your daddy. Your daddy na naman. That's his 2 feet. Okay, very good. Okay? Yan. How about the hands of your dad? That one. I want you to write isa lang na A, be. Isa na A. Before you can write your ate. Go. That one. Ay, gisulat mo muna si ate mo. Okay. That's her head.
Let's roll.
Okay. Sige. You are going to write A, ha? Kuya?
Wait a minute. Okay? Okay?
Sige, go. Okay. Yan.
She's sad.
Sige. That's... I want you to write A. Bida mo na, be. Isa na A. Go.
Where's the house?
Later na ang house. A muna.
The house. This is a house.
Opo, A muna. Sulat A muna.
House.
Oh, A muna. Wait
No,
lang.
Wait.
Oh, go.
Floor.
Oh, that's floor. Okay?
Shooter wants a floor.
Write muna A,
She
be.
wants a floor.
Opo, write muna A. Isa na,
She
sample
wants
na
a
A.
floor. She wants a floor.
Oh, go.
And the cabinet.
That's A. Isa pa.
Joe cabinet.
Yan. That one. That's A, ha?
And I put inside.
Opo.
And this is show.
Oo. Okay, wait lang.
This is
Wait lang. Isa pa na A. Look at in here. Isa pa na A. Look at in here. That one. Okay. That's A, ha? Isa pa, kuya. Teacher will erase this one. We are going to write A.
Wait.
Write muna A before you can write Teacher Charles. Write A. A muna. Di ba you draw parang that one? Wait lang. Wait lang. Sulat muna. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. A muna, A. This one. Wait lang. Okay, this one. Ay, don't erase it with your finger. Sulat mo na A. Okay, A. That's A. Sige, A, may sulat A muna. Write A. Write A.
So hard.
Di ba, oh? Nakaya mo gani. Isa pa, A.
Wait there.
Now, go.
His toes must have big. Half. Is half. It's lying.
Sige.
Where's his hands there?
Okay, A muna.
And
A.
A.
Sulat A. Just like this one. Oops. Malapit na, oh. You can write this one. It's A na. Isa pa. You do that one. Ay. Wait lang. Okay. You can write this one. A. Yan. This is the feet of A. Wait lang. Yan. That's A. Isa pa, kuya. No, that's A. Isa pa.
And this one.
Other one.
And mommy.
Go. A.
That's my mommy.
That's your mommy.
Mommy.
And
And she's face.
Okay.
Now
Her
she's-
face. Okay. Now, we are going to write R. Okay. If you are going to write R properly, teacher will draw you a house. Okay? Kuya. If you are going to write a proper R or a correct R, teacher will going to draw a house for you. Okay? Sige. Erase it. Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
he jumped.
Sige. Okay, teacher will going to draw you a house.
And the bus go round and round.
Kuya, teacher will going to draw you a house
Go round and round.
if nakasulat ka ng R. Okay? This is the correct writing of R. Okay? Write mo na R. R muna, R muna.
Dun.
Kuya, do it muna properly, R. R.
Dun.
Do it properly so the teacher will going to write you a house. Go. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this R. Where are you going? No, you want to get something? What is it? Go.
What's this? Why are you bringing this one?
Huh? Oops.
Oh, that's good one. That's awesome one.
That's the other one. Okay, I want you to write R in here.
Wow.
Go.
That's so nice.
Opo. In here. Sulat mo na R.
This is wrong.
Go. R muna.
Maker.
This one.
This is working.
Draw this one. R.
Wow.
Sige, follow this one. Wait lang. The teacher will help you. Wait lang. Okay. Hold this one. It's awesome. You go straight ahead and do the other. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, teacher will ano ha? Teacher will draw you a house so that you're going to write your R. Okay? Wait lang. Okay. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay. If you are going to draw a house, you need to do this one muna. Okay, this is your window. This is your door.
Open the door.
This is the trees.
This is the tree house.
Next.
And the winter inside.
Wait lang. Okay. In order for teacher to write a sun, I want you to draw a proper R. Go. Write muna R. Just like this one. R lang. Yan. Straight. Okay. You do that one. Teacher will write na a sun na for you. You go, draw this one, and you do that one. Okay, what is this one?
The sun.
A sun.
This is also morning.
Yes po.
And
Next.
I want the winter inside.
Go. Right after that one, you are going to draw ano ha? R ha? Gets kuya? Okay. You are going to write R. Okay? Go. Draw the face of winter. Okay. His hands. Okay. How about R? Draw muna R.
And there's mommy coming.
If you are going to draw R, teacher will going to draw a car. Okay? Write R muna. Write R. Go. So the teacher will going to write a car or draw a car. R. Go.
This one car?
Opo, just like that one. Teacher will draw you a car. You go straight ahead and to the other side. This is R. Isa pa?
Cars.
Okay, R. Okay,
Car.
isa pa, try daw ikaw gawa R, be? R. Okay. Teacher will going to write a car muna. Teacher will draw a car. If you're going to draw a car, you do this one.
Car wheels? Where's the wheels? Where's the wheels? Where's the wheels? Where's the wheels? Oh, wow! This is sweeter car rides. Where's the driver?
This one. This is winter.
There's winter inside the car.
Yes. I want you to write R. So the teacher will going to write a dragon. Write R muna. So the teacher will going to write a dragon. Alright, R. Proper R. Go. Follow this R.
Dragon!
Teacher will going to write you a dragon. If you're going to write the proper R. Write proper R, kuya. Kuya. Sige, write R properly. Write R. Okay, go.
There's a fight. It's raining.
It's raining. There's a lot of water.
And
Okay.
in the winter's house, it's like get a rain out.
I want you to draw proper R muna. Proper R. You go straight ahead and you go that one. Isa pa. Straight. And you go that one. Isa pa. Straight.
This is this one.
Look at this one muna. Straight, then R. Okay?
This one.
Opo. Alright muna R.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, very good kuya.
Oh,
Okay?
this one.
Opo. Alright, R muna.
This is winter car.
Right R. Right R. Go. R.
How mommy help?
Okay. R straight, then to the other side. Okay, that's R ha? Straight to the other side. Teacher will going to write a dragon.
I want the mom.
You want mommy there? I'll go draw your mommy there.
And there's.
Go. Oh, that's the eyes of your mommy.
And she's walking in winter outside.
Okay?
There's mommy inside there.
Opo.
You see that? There's mommy.
Yes. Okay? Alright,
Just see
W.
him.
W. W. That one. W. Okay? R. E, kuya. Right E. You go straight down. What? Okay, that's E.
Where's mommy?
Your mommy is riding at E. Okay. Diba this is our E, kuya? Oh, here's your mommy, kuya, oh.
And this
Kuya, here's your mommy. Is at the top of E. Yan. That's your mommy. At the top of E. Okay? This is your daddy at the top of your R. This is your daddy. How about N, kuya? Right N. Right N. So that at the top of N, nandun ka. Okay. Alright, N.
Oh, this is the wheels.
Opo.
I want to draw the wheels of the bus. This one.
Opo.
This one.
Sige, write N muna so that you are at the top of N. How to write N, gani?
And wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Write N.
Where's I think where's Victor? Where's Victor?
Winter. At the top of N, right? You should write first N so that we are going to...
She's in the top.
You are in the top of N. Ay, E man. Ito, this is E. You should write N muna. Letter N.
Sorry.
That's your head? Okay. How about N? Diba N? You do this one?
She's at the half the neck.
You go straight downwards and you do that one. This is N. You should write your face in here because this is N. Yan. This is you standing at letter N. Okay? This is letter N, ha? This is letter E. This is letter R.
Ate, ate.
Right, ate at the top of R. Right, ate at the top of R. Right, ate at the top of R. Right, ate. That's R. Okay?
Have a neck.
The neck. Okay?
She's pretty. And she's hands.
Okay. Her hands. Okay. Wow, that's her ate. Okay? Now, we are going to write si kuya.
Stop! No, my house!
Hindi, we are going to write another house. Okay? Sige. Now, we are going to write letter C, kuya. How to write letter C, gani? C is in here. C. Okay. Who are you going to write with C, kuya? Is it Teacher Charles? Is it you? Or is it mommy? Or daddy? Or ate? Right now, be?
It's sweeter.
It's winter. Go. Write C.
Again.
Go. Write C muna. Write C. So that you can write winter. Write C muna. You come here. In here, winter is walking. Hey, write C. Who's that one? That's Teacher Charles?
Yes.
Okay. Teacher Charles and Winter meet at letter C. Okay? Alright, C. Write C muna.
Boink!
Follow C. I want you to write C daw, Kuya Be. Write C muna. Hold this one. C. Yan. Write something in here. Sino yun nandito? Is it Teacher Charles or si Winter? You are going to trace that one. That's Teacher Charles.
Yeah, I want the drawer, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
It's not a drawer, it's eraser.
Razor.
Eraser.
I'm gonna help.
Go. Teacher will hold this one. You can write it. You can hold that one. That's winter.
It's Roblox.
It's Roblox. Right C daw ba? Isa pa na C, kuya. Right C. Oops. Okay. Wait lang. C. Hold that one. Okay, right C. Hala. You're right G. It's letter G na. Wow. Very good.
I say tank.
And tank. Okay. Write G, write C muna. C. Okay. You go that one. That's letter. Oh, you write C, kuya. That's C. Isa pa.
It broke.
You've written C, kuya. Okay, that's C.
What? It crashed.
It crashed. Isa pa na letter C.
Dash.
Oh, malapit na mag-letter C yun, kuya. Wait lang.
It crashed.
Sige, letter C pa. Isa na letter C. Okay. This one, kuya. Wait lang. Don't erase it, kuya, with your finger. Erase with your hands. Okay. Sige. So this one, we are going to look at your paper. Okay. We are going to follow this one because you've already written something in here. Okay. Sige. Teacher will going to hold your hand, kuya, so that you can write letter G. Okay? Hold mo na ito, kuya. Hold. Hold this one. Teacher will help you. Look in here. Wait lang. Wait lang. Don't write something. Wait lang. Don't write something. Okay?
Jump. 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 Jump.
Sige na. Wait lang. Don't jump muna. We are going to write C. Okay. I want you to put muna si Teacher Charles in here. To the other side. Okay. Sige. We are going to write letter G muna. Okay. Hold this one for a while. Later, we can do this one. Wait lang. Oops. This one. Hold muna this one. We are going to write letter G, kuya. Oops. Go. Get that one. That's Teacher Charles and you. Teacher will let you hold the pencil muna because I will teach you how to write G. Okay. Wait lang. Stop playing muna, kuya. After makasulat ka ng letter G, teacher will let you play. Okay? Or write muna. Ay, look, what happened? Where's the other body of Winter? Nawala. Go, connect it. Okay, very good. That's the body of Winter. Hey, come here. Ali, come here. Okay, that's your card. Okay.
What's the guy in there?
Yes po. Let Winter sakay and Teacher Charles in there.
And drive.
Opo. Sige.
And drive. Drive.
Opo, drive. This one. I want you to hold muna the pencil, kuya. This one. Okay, G muna. You go this one. Okay, isa pa. Wait lang. Don't write something muna. Okay, this is letter G.
Wait, don't big.
That's water, kuya. Don't go out the water. Okay. No, wag mo sakay.